Imagine having a miniature car steering wheel on your wrist, allowing you to track both analog and digital time in the most intuitive way. With the N-SPORT 372 watch face, you can customize the backgrounds and choose from a variety of accompanying complication options. Now let's dive into the highlights. First off, you'll love the analog and digital time display, available in both 12H and 24H formats. Next, the watch face offers X3 custom complication options, allowing you to personalize your experience even further. And finally, it features X10 custom backgrounds, so you can find the perfect match for your style. But that's not all. The N-SPORT 372 watch face also provides health information, including heart rate and steps, ensuring you're always on top of your fitness goals. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your smartwatch experience with the N-SPORT 372 watch face and enjoy the ultimate in customization and style. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next one.